Hello everybody, welcome to my brand new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to solve a problem on Imo. Just go to Imo and call your friend. So I'm going to call my friend. Then whenever you call your friend, then you can see here you cannot call this user due to his/her privacy settings. So here I'm going to solve the problem. So in two ways I'm going to solve the problem. One is that is your friend didn't block you. Another is that it's just a privacy setting. If you just make the settings okay, then will be everything okay. First one, this is the privacy settings of your friend. So if you create a new account, you can call him. This is the first step. So I'm going to tell one more time. The first step is if you create a new account, then you can call him. Right now I'm going to show you second step. So this owner of this account is close to you, and just go to his account or next to him and ask him or her for settings this privacy. So I'm going to go for this account and make it okay. You can see here it's my account. From this account I call to another account. So right now I'm going to go switching that account. You can see here I'm switching right now, and this is the account where I call. So just go to here at the right side in your profile, then go to here settings and privacy. All right, then go to here call. You can see here call. Here you can see call. Here is nobody, so make here everyone. If you make everyone, then everyone can call you. Right now go back and I'm going to check it. Now you can see here it's ring. You can see here it's ring. So that way, in this way you can do it easily, solve the problem. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you feel better. If you feel better, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for getting new videos.